leader of opposition to be elected by all the members of the opposition political parties. Number 2, additional grounds upon which the leader of the opposition may cease to hold office, because you need to be accountable. If people cannot elect you, then you cannot be accountable. You are accountable to the people who elected you. The president of Uganda by law can be censured by this parliament. The prime minister by law can be censured by this parliament. All the ministers here can be censured by this parliament. Who are you that the leader of opposition cannot be checked by this parliament? We therefore put that ground. The leader of opposition is to consult other political parties represented in the parliament when appointing persons and deputy chairpersons of standing committees. Right Honorable Speaker, I beg to submit.
Thank you. Seconders, Honorable Linus Ngopek, 3 minutes, and then after Honorable Kwaringa.
Right Honorable Speaker and honorable members, I rise to support the bill to amend the Administration of Parliament Act, Cap 272, for the following reasons. Honorable members, whereas Section 8 of the Administration of Parliament Act requires the leader of opposition in Parliament to be determined through an elective process, A, the Act and the rules do not prescribe how the election to determine the LOP are conducted. Over the years, practice has developed where the LOP is merely designated